This video tutorial I will explain what is Maven. Maven is a popular build tool which is used in software development, especially for the projects written in Java. The primary purpose of Maven is to simplify the process of building, managing and organizing your code. Maven helps to automate various tasks and making it easier for developers to work on projects collaboratively and consistently. Now we will see the key concepts of Maven. The first one is project management. Maven helps you to manage your project structure, dependencies and configurations. Maven enforces standard project layout, which makes it easier for developers to understand where different types of code and resources should be located. The second one is dependency management. When you are building a software project, you often need to use external libraries or frameworks. These are called dependencies. Maven makes it simple to declare and manage these dependencies. You specify the dependencies you need in a configuration file, and Maven takes care of downloading and managing the dependencies for you. The third one is build automation. Building a software project involves tasks like compiling source code, running tests, packaging code into executable files or libraries, and so on. Maven automates this task through a set of predefined build phases. You just need to specify what you want to achieve, and Maven will handle the rest. Fourth one is life cycle and phases. Maven has a predefined build lifecycle that consists of different phases. Examples of phases include compile, test, package, install, and deploy. When you run a specific phase, Maven executes all the tasks associated with that phase in the defined order. Fifth one is plugins. Maven uses plugins to perform various tasks during the build process. Plugins are extensions that provide additional functionality. For example, there is a compiler plugin for compiling the code and Surefire plugin for running the test and more. And you can customize these plugins as needed. Sixth one is POM. POM is nothing but Project Object Model. A POM is an XML file that describes your project's configuration. POM includes information about the project metadata, dependencies, plugins, and more. The POM serves as a central point of control for your project in Maven. Now we will see the summary of Maven. Maven simplifies the process of building, testing, and managing Java projects by providing standardized way to handle dependencies, compile code, run test, and package your application. Maven promotes consistency across projects and streamlines collaboration among developers. As you delve deeper into software development, you will find Maven to be an invaluable tool that can save you lot of time and effort. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.